Oh, cherries, whether they're dried, fresh, frozen, tart, or sweet, from blending them into smoothies to sprinkling them on salads or even starring in main dishes, cherries are a delightful, healthy treat packed with antioxidants and ingredients that can actually help burn fat. Cherries are little powerhouses of nutrition. What makes cherries super special are their unique bioactive components. These little gems help ward off a whole list of conditions like cancer, diabetes, heart disease, Alzheimer's, not to mention their power to ease muscle soreness and even improve your sleep. And for those dealing with arthritis pain, gout, hemorrhoids, or allergies, cherries are like a natural remedy wrapped in a juicy little package. Cherries are bursting with antioxidants that fight off free radicals and protect our cell DNA from damage. Free radicals are those pesky things associated with numerous diseases, including cancer and heart disease. Cherries are also loaded with amazing nutrients like quercetin, hydroxycinnates, potassium, carotenoids, and melatonin. Even the sweet ones are on your side, boasting a low glycemic index, which is great news for anyone watching their blood sugar levels. Cherries are like the superheroes of the anti-inflammatory world. These red little beauties are filled with phytochemicals called anthocyanins, which give them their vibrant color. Researchers have found that these compounds are just as good at fighting inflammation as some well-known over-the-counter anti-inflammatory drugs. Imagine easing your workout aches or reducing muscle soreness just by enjoying some cherries. For folks navigating the challenges of arthritis and gout, cherries come to the rescue again. Studies have shown that drinking tart cherry juice can significantly reduce pain and improve joint function. And for those battling gout, cherries can significantly lower the risk of painful attacks. On the anti-cancer front, cherries are showing promising signs too. The anthocyanins and other compounds in cherries are being studied for their ability to inhibit tumor growth and even reduce the growth of certain cancer cells. Let's not forget how cherries can help us catch those Z's. Being one of the few foods that naturally contain melatonin, cherries can help regulate your sleep cycle, ensuring you get that deep, restorative sleep. Just a little tart cherry juice before bed can make a huge difference. And even for heart health, cherries have got you covered. They've got special compounds that help with fat and glucose metabolism, which can reduce the risk of heart issues. Who knew something so delicious could also do so much good for our bodies? For anyone looking to improve their sleep or manage inflammation naturally, cherries, especially the tart variety, are worth exploring. From reducing inflammation to helping you sleep better. Cherries are a natural wonder that can enhance your health in many ways. Plus, they're downright delicious. So why not add some cherries to your next grocery trip and start enjoying all the benefits these fabulous fruits have to offer. I'm Nick Garcia, holistic health coach with The Health Report. I hope you learned something today about delicious cherries, one of my personal favorite fruits. Subscribe to our channel for more information.